everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and here on my channel I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you, and please consider subscribing. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. In today's video, I will be sharing with you the convenience of having a portable washer and dryer in your apartment. This washer and dryer is in my youngest daughter's apartment, and she did purchase both from Amazon. This is a screenshot, video screenshot of the washer, and then coming up a screenshot. She just looked at several and chose this one, this white one, for the washer, and then the dryer screenshots is coming up next. And I believe it's the third one that she chose in this picture. And coming up, I'm going to show you a clip that I took from Amazon showing how it works. This isn't by no means a review or a sponsored video. I'm just showing you the clip that they had inserted with the advertisement of the washer. But I am going to go through and show you how I use it when I washed my laundry in it. It is very convenient, especially for her being a single mom, and all she wears is uniforms because she's a medical assistant, and then her daughter being in school just wear uniforms. So it's very convenient for her, and you can wash sheets and towels. The only thing she doesn't wash in here is in her machine is blankets. But it's very lightweight, very portable. Here is the picture of her dining room, which is where we now have the washer and dryer. This is what the dining room looked like in 2000. The brown was in 2018. This was 2019. The room we changed to her playroom in 2019, my granddaughter's playroom. And coming up is how it looks now. So this dining room has went through several phases. The reason why we use the dining room, because they don't use the dining room table, which is now in the living room, and she's going to get rid of that. But here's how the room is set up now. I plan to come back next summer 2021 and redo the entire room to set it up as laundry, a multi-purpose room really, because her daughter sits in here and eats, and she does her homework at that table, and she watches TV and still plays in there as well. Okay, this side is the wash side. I'm gonna bring it over here so they can see. And you can see that I've got clothes in it already. This load has washed. And this side is the rinse or wringing out of the clothes before I put them in the dryer. And this little piece goes on top. So what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to take these clothes out and put them in here. And you don't have to wring them out because that's what this is for. So putting them in here. Okay, you can see it's like dripping with water. I'm just going to show you how it wrings it out. Okay, and sometimes if it's like this, I squeeze it out anyway. You don't have to, but I do it because I've already rinsed these, and I'll show you the process. And then when we put them in here, this little thing here is what holds the clothes down to keep the machine from bringing it in here, so you can see what I'm doing up here. Bring it up. Okay, so this little gadget, let's see, it goes inside and presses down the clothes to keep the machine from rocking. Close that. Now let me see this here, and this has a timer. It goes for up to 5 minutes, I believe. That's a 5 fast minutes too. And you can hear how it starts. I usually just start off slow because it starts off with a little rock. I'm going to make sure there's no banging. Okay. And then I go all the way to 5 minutes. So it's wringing the water out of the clothes on this side, and then when they wring out, I'm going to put them in the dryer. Okay, now there's some excess water still, and you can tell. Okay, this here means this water's still in. So the way we do that, she takes the hose, and that's why she has this pitcher here to catch the excess water. But to get all of the water coming out, there's a switch up here on top of the machine. Up here on top of the machine. Let me get it. On top of the machine here is this switch, and right now it's on standard, meaning the water is locked until we release it to drain. So when I turn it to drain, all the water drains out of here, out of the wash side, and I still have something in there, and whatever is left in there. So I'm going to let you see what it looks like. We're going to turn it on now and see. Well, all of it. Yeah, see it's coming out, and there's some more in here. And it still drains because I have the switch set to drain. And then there's always a little bit left in the hose, but it still comes out. And the machine is so light you can actually tilt the machine by hand. And then I turn the drain off, and I put it, bring it up here, follow up here, and then I put the switch back on this hook. You see the hook right here. There's a hook right here that it sits on. Okay, I wanted to empty that to show you how, and then to show you how light it is, even with the dryer. Nope, I better not do that. Okay. And turn it back on. You can turn it off. Okay. The rinser's just about done. You can kind of hear it. And it's on this piece of wood because her floor is not level, so it causes it to wobble. So this wood keeps the washing machine from being wobbly. But my hopes is, one, if not this year, because I've been very busy this year, if not this year, I want to build her a little unit where she can put her dryer and washer in. Now that these are done, I'm going to show you how dry they are. And show you the settings. Of course, you wouldn't overload this like you do a big dryer at the laundromat. Okay, so down here are different settings. Come close. And here it has the different, so they can see the colors.
They can.
See the yellow for just kind of warm, and this is for really hot. And it has the time. 20 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour. So for the little bit I got in there, I'm gonna put it on warm because the water drained it out. Oops, you know what? Let me turn it off because I forgot to put my dryer sheets in. Keep it on, keep it on. So I put my dryer sheet in. And then once this stops drying, I'll show you how we get the lint out of the filter. We'll let them see now. Here, right in here. This right here is the filter, and when we get done, we pull it off and take the lint off and push it back in. Now I can turn it on. It's drying. And now I'm going to be pointing out to you the attachment that is on the back for where the heat comes out from the dryer. This can be connected to where you can actually have something that goes outside, or it can work on the inside. Where there's no holes that have to be cut in the wall. Right here where I'm getting ready to point to, this is where the heat comes out. She has it pointing up where the heat can come out and around. And that's how the heat is exhausted out of the dryer into the room. T-shirts in here. And I put them in there loosely. This is a dress. And only because this size, I only use a cap full. You need to see that. And then now, and we do about four. We do about 4 of these. I'm done with my laundry, and I just want to show everyone how lightweight this washing machine is. The dryer is not super heavy, but it's a little heavier than the washing machine because of the metal, I guess because of the motor in it. Washing machine. And it's very lightweight. Let me turn it around. It's not heavy at all. Has some weight to it, but not heavy where you can pick it up. Again, the dryer, and then let me show you how tall it is up against the dryer. Let me turn this around. So the dryer is behind it, so you can see the dryer just a little tall. And again, I want to, up against this wall, when I come back, I guess next summer, 2021, build her a corner wall vertical unit so that the washing machine can go on top and the dryer on the bottom, or vice versa, probably with the washer on the bottom and then the dryer on top. We'll see how that goes, but I just wanted to show you how lightweight that is. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.